Optics University. Step 4. Focusing. Now that our specimen is centered, we want to make sure we start with the lowest objective here. Now we're going to start focusing. When you first look into the microscope, you're going to see a defocused image, and that's fine. There's a coarse adjustment here, and a fine adjustment here. These are both coaxial, which basically means you can turn one and the other one turns, which is really convenient. You want to adjust the coarse knob first, and then if you need to, do a micro adjustment. When you look into the microscope now, you should see it in focus. Just be careful when you're turning the coarse and fine knobs not to adjust the mechanical stage. You want to make sure you use the ones back here, which are the coarse and the fine focus.